You guys know the kind of challenges that you are going to face. But what is important, particularly for the managers in above level, is to go back and find out, is there a better way of workload management? Okay. And workload management is important because this has to be sustained. Okay. Pagka nadidinig na yung word na, sir, overloaded na ako, for me that's a signal. Either we have not distributed the workload well, or we have not counseled the person involved. Let me clarify also. Some of us are good in coaching, but sometimes the person does not need to be coached. The person needs to be counseled. If you have somebody who is not performing, kahit na paano mo yan i-coach, hindi yan mag-perform. Kaya if